Hi friends, welcome to my channel Computer Technologies again. Today I will show you how to convert the column values, to row values in Excel. So first for that we have to open the Excel. So Excel is already open here. So suppose we have here some values, say 1, say 2, say 3, say 4. So now I want to convert these column values to row values like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. So for small values we don't need this technique, but for large data we cannot write all the data like this, so we have to use a technique. So suppose this is the column value. Just copy this, copy, and suppose I want to go to sheet 2, then paste special, then just click here transpose. So just click here OK, then the values will be displayed like this in the horizontal order. Suppose you want to convert this row value to column value, then what you will do, just copy it, copy, then suppose you want to convert it to column value, then go to paste special, then transpose. So this is how you convert the column value to the row value with this technique in a few seconds. Thank you. If you like my channel, please subscribe to my channel and support me and encourage me to upload more videos. Thank you.